In today's video, I am going to teach you how to place your first trade on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list. This is where you can see the available trading instruments. Find the instrument you want to trade. This could be a currency pair, an index, a commodity, or another market offered on the platform. After you choose your instrument, double-click on it to open its chart. The chart will give you a view of the recent price movement and help you confirm that you are looking at the correct market. Take a moment to review the current market price and the chart before placing your trade. Next, open the order window. You can do this by clicking New Order on the top toolbar. You can also right-click on the chart and select Place New Order. Either option will bring up the trade entry panel. In the order window, first confirm that the correct trading symbol is selected. This is an important step because you want to make sure you are placing your trade on the market you intended to trade. Once the symbol is correct, enter the quantity for your trade. This determines the size of your position. Be careful here and make sure the amount matches your plan before you continue. You can then choose to set your stop loss and take profit levels. This step is optional, but it is useful for managing risk and planning your exit. A stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you. A take profit helps close the trade automatically if the price reaches your target. When everything looks correct, choose your trade direction. Click Buy if you expect the price to rise. Click Sell if you expect the price to fall. After that, wait a moment for the order to be executed by the platform. Once the order has gone through, go to the Trade section and check the Positions tab. This is where you can verify that your first trade is now active and listed on your account. That is the full process for placing your first trade on Pepperstone using Trader. Follow each step carefully, review your details before submitting the order, and confirm your position after execution. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.